Okay, hi, good to see you. My name is Michael Mangan. I'm the instructor for this history course, and I want to welcome you to the course itself and to the content of what we're going to be studying. Now, as you can tell, the first thing is to explain that I suffered a stroke about 4 months ago, and it's left me speaking a bit less quickly than I'd like to. But you can play back any of my lectures at 1.5 or 2 times. There's a great variety of playback speeds that you can choose from, and I go along with that. Um, so I wanted to tell you that there are these lectures and that you can play them at whatever speed you want, depending on what kind of chipmunk effect you want to add to my voice. Other than that, the course should be laid out pretty clearly on Canvas. All of the assignments are there, and all of the content that I will be delivering via lecture is there as well. So if you go on Canvas and submit your assignments through Canvas, I will be in touch with you throughout the semester. I will be able to hopefully participate in a way that makes the course even better than it is right now without your input. But soon we'll have a dialogue that will allow us to shape a learning community this semester. Okay, that's it. Hope you're doing well.